Hi, welcome to Live Tutelage. Let's discuss an example of nature of roots of quadratic equation. Let me consider an example, a random example, which is x square plus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now we have to compare it with standard form of quadratic equation, that is a x square plus b x plus c is equal to 0. After comparing both the equations, we find that a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4 and c is equal to 1. As we have to find nature of roots of quadratic equation. The nature of roots can be directly found by using a term d, which is equal to b square minus 4ac. So putting the values of a, b and c in this will get the d. So b is 4 raised to the power 2 minus 4, open bracket for a is 1, now c is again 1. So 4 raised to the power square is 16 minus 4 into 1, 4 into 1, 4. Here it is 4. So after solving it will be 12. D is positive. D positive means b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. That means it will give us real and unequal roots. Real and unequal roots. It is the nature of roots found now. Hope you got the example. Thanks.